Right now, millions of miles from Earth, something impossible is happening. A tiny spark of life is defying the cold, silent vacuum of space. For humanity to truly become a multi-planetary species, we don't just need rockets and fuel. We need to do the one thing space was never meant to support. We need to grow a garden in the void. This is the story of NASA's quest to master cosmic agriculture. If you're ready to explore the future of life beyond Earth, consider subscribing for more deep space discoveries. The math of deep space travel is brutal. Carrying enough food for a 3-year mission to Mars is physically and economically impossible. Plants are more than just calories. They are living machines, bioregenerative systems that recycle our air and provide a vital link to our home world. But in microgravity, everything we know about farming breaks. Water doesn't flow, roots don't know which way is down, and radiation is a constant threat. NASA's solution: the Vegetable Production System, or VEGI, a suitcase-sized garden that uses pillows of clay to trick plants into growing in the void. By bathing them in a specific spectrum of red and blue light, creating this otherworldly magenta glow, scientists can maximize growth while saving precious energy. In 2015, history was made. For the first time, American astronauts ate food grown entirely in the stars. A small bite for a man, a giant leap for our survival. But it wasn't just about nutrition. Astronauts reported that tending to these zinnias provided a profound psychological relief, a reminder of Earth's beauty in the darkness. But as we look toward the moon, a new challenge arises. Can plants survive in the jagged, toxic dust of the lunar surface? We're about to find out. As NASA prepares to return humans to the moon with the Artemis program, the stakes for space agriculture have never been higher. We're no longer just orbiting, we're landing. But the moon isn't covered in soil, it's covered in regolith, a toxic, abrasive dust made of crushed rock and glass, forged by eons of meteorite impacts. Early experiments showed that while plants can sprout in this alien dust, they hate it. They trigger genetic stress responses, fighting to survive in a medium with zero organic life. To solve this, Artemis 3 will carry a groundbreaking experiment: LEAF, the first full-scale study of plant life actually living on the lunar surface. Inside this protective habitat, Brassica rapa and duckweed will be tested against the moon's greatest threats: high radiation and 1/6 Earth's gravity. Without an atmosphere or magnetic field, the moon is a radiation shooting gallery. LEAF will decode how plants repair their DNA in real time under these conditions. Astronauts will play the role of cosmic gardeners, harvesting these lunar-grown samples and bringing them home for the most advanced genetic analysis in history. The lessons we learn on the moon are the blueprint for the ultimate goal. If we can master the moon, we can farm the red planet. But Mars has a dark secret that the moon doesn't. If the moon is our training ground, Mars is the ultimate test. But the red planet hides a deadly secret in its soil that could end our mission before it even begins. Martian regolith is laced with perchlorates, toxic salts that are lethal to most Earth life. In humans, they attack the thyroid. In plants, they act like a slow-acting poison. NASA's solution? Tiny microbial soldiers. Scientists are engineering Earth bacteria to literally eat these toxins, turning poison into harmless chloride and breathable oxygen. But detox is only half the battle. Martian soil has no organic matter. Our first true crop won't be food for us. It will be alfalfa, a biofertilizer that turns dead rock into living soil. Once the soil is conditioned, the real feast begins: potatoes, peas, and tomatoes. These aren't just meals. They are a multi-billion-dollar survival insurance policy. These futuristic farms will be fully automated, closed-loop ecosystems where every drop of water and every breath of CO2 is recycled with 100% efficiency. The technology we build to survive on Mars will redefine agriculture on Earth, allowing us to grow food in the harshest deserts and most crowded cities. By mastering the void, we aren't just leaving home. We are learning how to protect it. If you enjoyed this journey into the stars, consider subscribing for more discoveries.